Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest updates and in-depth insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we are diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Audi Q5, a luxury SUV that continues to set benchmarks in its segment with a perfect blend of performance, technology, and design. The 2025 Audi Q5 arrives with a refreshed design that enhances its road presence while maintaining the sophisticated appeal that Audi is known for. The exterior features a more prominent front grille with sharper lines, redesigned LED headlights, and a sleeker profile that improves aerodynamics. The rear end showcases updated taillights and a sportier bumper, giving the SUV a more dynamic stance. Audi has also introduced new color options and wheel designs, allowing buyers to further customize their Q5 to match their style preferences. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q5 offers multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving needs. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that delivers improved efficiency and power output. For those seeking more performance, there is a plug-in hybrid variant that combines the gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing better fuel economy and an all-electric driving mode for city commutes. The top-tier SQ5 version comes with a more powerful engine, offering thrilling acceleration and enhanced driving dynamics. All models are paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior traction and stability in various road conditions. The driving experience is further enhanced by the updated suspension system, which provides a balanced ride quality, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Audi's Drive Select system allows drivers to choose from multiple driving modes, adjusting throttle response, steering, and suspension settings to suit different driving preferences. The hybrid variant also features regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while improving efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Audi Q5 showcases a more refined and tech-forward environment. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and wood or aluminum trims create a luxurious ambiance. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide excellent support for long journeys, and higher trims offer ventilated and massaging front seats for added comfort. The spacious interior ensures ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a practical choice for families and frequent travelers. The infotainment system is powered by Audi's latest MMI interface, featuring a large touchscreen display with crisp graphics and an intuitive layout. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A fully digital instrument cluster, known as the Audi Virtual Cockpit, provides customizable displays for navigation, media, and vehicle information. Additionally, an optional head-up display projects important driving data onto the windshield, reducing distractions for the driver. Audi has equipped the 2025 Q5 with a host of advanced safety and driver assistance features to enhance security and convenience. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims come with additional features such as a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and a semi-autonomous driving assistant that aids in highway driving. Parking assistance systems make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless, thanks to sensors and automated steering functions. Connectivity and convenience features in the 2025 Audi Q5 have also seen improvements. The SUV comes with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for an immersive audio experience. The climate control system now features enhanced air purification technology, ensuring a cleaner and more comfortable cabin environment. Rear passengers also benefit from dedicated climate controls and optional heated seats, adding to the overall comfort of the vehicle. Fuel efficiency has been a key focus in the development of the 2025 Audi Q5. The turbocharged gasoline engine offers a good balance of power and economy, while the plug-in hybrid variant significantly reduces fuel consumption and emissions. With the ability to drive on electric power alone for short distances, the hybrid model is ideal for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on performance. Audi has also worked on improving aerodynamics, which contributes to better fuel efficiency and lower wind noise during highway driving. Another highlight of the 2025 Audi Q5 is its smart technology integration. The SUV features over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the vehicle remains up to date with the latest enhancements and security patches. The My Audi app allows owners to remotely control various functions such as locking and unlocking the doors, checking vehicle status, and even preconditioning the cabin temperature before entering the vehicle. The integration of artificial intelligence-based voice recognition makes it easier than ever to access infotainment and vehicle settings through natural speech commands. With a perfect blend of style, performance, and advanced features, the 2025 Audi Q5 continues to be a top contender in the luxury SUV market. Whether you prioritize comfort, cutting-edge technology, or dynamic driving capabilities, the new Q5 has something to offer. As Audi remains committed to innovation and sustainability, this model stands as a testament to the brand's vision for the future of mobility. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Audi Q5. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Audi Q5. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. I've written a detailed script for your YouTube video on the 2025 Audi Q5, including a channel introduction and a call to subscribe at the end. Let me know if you need any modifications.